Okay, Mitsubishi Lancer, okay, installed for Convex MC-100AD 10.1 inch Android Master GPS big screen player, high spec, 8 core with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Okay, with reverse camera. Okay, 10.1 inch Android Master big screen. Mitsubishi Lancer. It's got a good fitting OEM casing. Okay, OEM socket plug and play. Show you for the reverse. Reverse camera. Okay, full menu. You have to log in the Gmail, download app from Play Store. Cloud TV APK, you can watch TV online. You download Waze, YouTube, MX Player, Spotify from Play Store. Video input and video output support. This player no DVD version. It's got a 3 USB extension. So 3 USB slot. We'll put in a drawer. Okay, Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After that, click for the A2DP for Bluetooth music. Stereo control. So you can do your stereo control setting. Show you for radio.
Ya masalah, gue sarapan. Gue salah nih.
AC connect mirroring, selected phone model, amplifier for equalizer adjustment. So it's 10 band equalizer. You can choose from a preset equalizer. Okay, back to home. So Android player, you have to clear apps, create one by one, or scroll down, clear all. Okay, setting. Okay, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Storage. So Android version 8.0. The 8 core 64-bit CPU, 4 GB RAM. Okay, and car setting. So you can do your car setting. Factory setting password 126. Okay, this player got a front camera input as well. If you install for the front camera, so you have to go to other and turn on the front camera and built-in auto switch front camera function. That's it. Okay, volume. So this is Convex Android Master high spec MC-100AD 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player, 4 GB RAM with 32 GB storage. 8-core processor. For Mitsubishi Lancer, install with OEM big screen casing and OEM CAN bus socket. Install by 1bis. Thank you.